Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Social Security benefits. First, confirm your eligibility for the specific type of benefit you seek, whether it's retirement, disability, or survivor benefits. Next, collect all required documents such as your birth certificate, proof of citizenship, and tax forms like W-2s or self-employment records. Finally, choose your application method, online, by phone, or by visiting a local Social Security office. Starting early ensures a smoother process. When applying, having the right documents ready is crucial for a quick process. You will need your Social Security card or a clear record of your Social Security number. Also, provide your birth certificate or another acceptable proof of age, like a religious record of birth or a hospital record. For earnings, submit your W-2 forms for the past 2 years, or your self-employment tax returns if you are self-employed. Marriage certificates are also needed for spousal benefits. You have several convenient ways to submit your application. The quickest method for retirement or spousal benefits is often online, which can take as little as 15 minutes. Alternatively, you can call the national toll-free number to apply over the phone with a representative. For personalized help, or if you prefer face-to-face interaction, visit your local Social Security office. Remember to review all information carefully before submitting your claim to avoid delays. After submitting your application, the Social Security Administration will process your claim. You can typically expect to receive a decision letter in the mail within several weeks, though processing times can vary. To stay informed, you can easily check the status of your application online or by calling their toll-free number. Remember to keep copies of all documents you submitted. Also, for great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.